Low-key, it should go on him.
Shut up.
Me, bro, exactly.
Low-key, it should go on
You see me? Okay, okay.
Low-key, it should go on me.
Put it up.
I can't.
You want it higher?
Yeah.
Okay. The neck thing, I think is adjustable.
Does this mean I'm mic'd up?
Yeah. It's
Yo, wait, let me take the
sort
camera
of.
for a second. I want to show my face.
Alright, good luck, Mom.
Me next.
Me. No, let him get to it. Get Ryder.
Yeah.
You said I could wear it.
It's a little annoying, Ollie said.
It's fine. If I get annoyed by it, I'll just
Well,
put
then
it
give it
away.
to someone else.
Yeah, I'll give it to like him or
Who, a second?
Yo, you sure you don't want to give it to us?
Yeah, y'all will get it.
Okay, yeah, that's tough. That's tough.
Does it feel weird on your chest?
No. I mean, are you sure?
It might feel weird when I'm running. It feels fine when I'm running. I'm just scared it's gonna fall off. It feels fine while I'm running. Oh yeah, it feels like perfectly fine while I'm running. Feels amazing while I'm running, to be exact.
Hey, Connor. Connor, did you bring your water?
Ryder, you're in your prime.
I know.
Can you pour some water on me?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Get under it. Okay. I'll actually do it. On God. Ew. What the heck? What the heck? Daddy.
Who's gonna win MVP?
Me.
No, like, what if not you? Me or Antonio?
Not you.
I need a heads up.
Antonio or Mason? We're about to cook you guys. I'm mic'd up.
Don't say that. Don't be too confident.
I'm mic'd up. And cameraed up.
Out of the camera. Yeah, I'm geeking the camera.
Of course you are.
I said that because I heard me the AI video and he was like, I'm geeking the camera. Fine. And he starts flying.
Hopefully this thing doesn't get annoying.
If it does, just give it to me.
Okay, yeah, I got you.
We're like, me and my duo.
Yeah, I got you. We are not doing your dance, by the way.
Bro, why?
Cause I'm not trying to be an uwu girl.
What?
An uwu kitten. No, thank you. Let's do the Rakai dance again.
No, bro, we gotta do the, oh, wait. Oh, what the freak? Why do I look so weird? Wait.
The Rakai dance is 10 times more tough. Oh my gosh! Wait. Put that there. Wait, can that be an infinity camera?
Yeah, it can.
How do I do it?
Wait,
Okay.
no, make a second POV camera.
Yeah, get us. You should have gotten 2. Your dad should have gotten 2. I don't
POV
care.
of you and the POV of the receiver.
Oh yeah,
And like a sideline camera.
Who's Dylan?
My brother. Who's Dylan?
Oh, Dylan!
Dylan Gabriel? No, my brother. In the back?
Dylan, we love you.
What's your favorite football team?
You see the Bills?
Commanders.
Bucks.
Commanders.
Oh yeah, the Commanders are tough.
No, we
Bro,
lost Jaden
why did
Daniels.
they have Jaden Daniels in on a 38-7? On a 38-7.
He broke his arm.
I know. He just dislocated his elbow.
I'm gonna
cameras on my team. It's time to win.
Hey!
Time to win. Just take it off and run. Get ready with me to score a touchdown.
Thank you. Oh, that'd be tough.
Yo, I watched the video about that in science class. Oh yeah.
Antonio.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Hey, you don't want to go to the bathroom for the next 5 years.
Oh my god, what time is it?
It's time to play, dog.
What happened?
It's 6'7"? 6'1". 6'7". 6'1".
Oh no, you had it at dinner.
Yeah, where did you put it?
Who won?
Go get it, run!
Who won?
Antonio, go with the ball. Antonio.
Wait, purple team won?
Antonio. Yeah. Go run and get the ball.
Where's my cousin at? Oh, there's Huck. Huck, did you win? Did you win?
What? They won.
They won.
Good job.
I got a camera.
Why?
Hi.
Because my coach, or my teammate, does YouTube videos, and he just started using this last week.
So how do we know when we're on
That's
camera?
a gift
Footage.
Is that a gift
You're on camera right now, but he'll probably cut it out. No, it's a magnet. Oh, it's a magnet.
Oh.
It's like a magnetic. Yeah, necklace.
You guys are on this field?
Yeah.
All right, man. That light is beautiful.
That's
Been looking for you.
If you're happy with that, I'm happy with that.
They went for 2 points, and if they would have gotten it, then they won. Then they would have won.
Did you blocked it?
Yeah, they would have
I got
tied it.
the
They
ball.
wouldn't have won.
Oh, good job.
Look at the score.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, never mind. They would have tied.
Bye bye, Granby. Bye. Did they not get the ball? Where's the ball? Did they find it?
I don't know.
Where's the ball? We might have to use that. We got it? Did we find our game ball?
No, we got it.
Okay, good. Oh yeah, Connor.
Oh, wait, not too bad.
Connor's got the ball. Connor's got the ball. You. Mason, you're not tough.
That was great. Thanks, guys.
We picked the ball. They're going to pick the ball. You guys want us to go that way? Which end? It doesn't matter. There's no breeze. Doesn't matter. Yeah. I say it's the same on which way. We feel more comfortable over here.
Yeah. See that? Because Coach already said
We're going that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're starting from over there. Hey, yo, D.
Ravens ball going that way, right?
Oh yeah, we got good rest.
Andrew, you playing ball? You playing ball still or not?
Basketball?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What team?
I'm not playing travel right now.
You gotta come the way. Travel way.
This is gonna be a good game. Ref, break the game for us.
I'll give you. I'll give you.
Yo, are you mic'd up, bro?
And cameraed up.
Yo, did you get your fender fixed?
Hey.
Dude, the whole way home it was just.
Why did you do the Raven celebration thing-a-ling? Did you get a touchdown?
No.
Oh. Well, you got close, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, you got close. Wait, what? Didn't we pick this side?
Five's all right.
Yeah, I like 5. Okay, Coach, I'm safety.
Yep.
Antonio, what side do you got safety?
Fill up these gaps, okay? We'll know what's going on.
Should go like, boom.
Mason, are you gonna?
Guys, does this get good?
Hey, do me a favor. Stay up. Right, hey, run right at him. Back up.
Run!
Nice.
Guys!
Let's go.
That can't be happening!
It's okay.
Yeah, guys, we're good. Oh, her knee hit my knee. Bro, her fake is way too good.
No worries.
He's like,
Look at Lamar Jackson thing.
yo, it's actually good.
Got it?
Guys, I don't think the fries were a good idea.
No, don't say that. Nothing's gonna slow us down.
Yeah, nothing. Watch the run. Same thing, watch the run. Yeah!
Where's the ball?
Scoot in. You're standing the last guy, unless he crosses the field.
I'm trying to talk to Andrew.
What's up, Andrew? This guy?
Hey, yo, Ryder. I don't know who to get on there.
The heck?
How are they already so close?
Because these two missed the flag.
Shut up. Hey, your lower ref. This is a great spot. Andrew.
I thought we paid you.
What happened?
Counterfeit's wild.
We paid you like 20 bucks. Did they pay you 40? Stay on him until
Let's go, Broncos.
Oh yeah, Antonio!
Fourth down.
Woo!
Antonio. Oh, yeah, Antonio. Good job.
I should have punted it.
Punted it?
Hey, punt it.
Hey, yes, sir.
Ah! Yeah! Hey, ref, they're punting.
He just said punt it.
Oh, I can make that. I'm so good at that. It'd be so fun though. I'd cook. Oh, Tony!
Don't yell Tuddy when they're. Don't yell Tuddy when they're on the line.
Not them. Yeah, Mason!
Your head around this touchdown. You got your head around that. We're open. All right, Eli, you're ready.
Check Famar! 6-1!
Ball.
Where's the ball, the rich play?
Yeah, guys, come back here.
We do the rich play when you click.
I don't need both of these. Which one do I need?
Statue of
Let's
Liberty.
do this one.
Oh.
Coach.
No, I want to do one. Oh, they got one safety, guys. They got one safety.
Statue of Liberty. First play.
Oh, do you guys want to do the statue?
Yeah. Should we do that?
Yeah, let's do that first.
So
Let's
listen,
do that
listen.
first.
Come here.
I remember.
So this is, I know, but what I want, Mason, do me a favor.
I'm going.
So
You want me to go on my
we're gonna do a statue of Liberty for a second, okay? So look, forget this for a second. You know what it is.
Yeah.
You know what it is. You're gonna go
Do I
here.
put him in motion?
Huh?
Yeah.
Isn't that
Yeah,
motion
motion,
height?
and then Mason, you're gonna go right here, and then you take off too. Okay? Got it?
Can we both motion?
Act
No,
like you have
no. When he says height, just go that way.
Act like you have a ball.
Yeah. Okay, so Antonio, you go behind him.
Which side of
Coach, am I on this side or that side?
Mason, come back here. Mason.
No. Yo, where are the guys who run?
That way. Go straight after Ryder gets back.
Motion.
Antonio, you're good. You're good.
Hold on.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
What's that?
Wait, coach. Let's do an onset run. So Mason says ready, set. Then we hike it to him. Then he just sprints straight up the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
But is
Yeah.
the middle
I'll hug
closed?
it.
The middle's closed.
Yeah,
No,
Mason. So you're gonna go
Yeah,
that
it
way.
is.
Is middle closed?
Oh. Yeah, do
But
the
you're, not
thing.
just, you're just gonna go towards Micah because you. Oh my God! You know what? Take the ball. Antonio, come here. And you're either gonna run it. If Micah goes with them, you're gonna hit Antonio. Come here. This is
I'll
gonna
go
be
to
big.
first down.
Listen, he's gonna get a direct snap. He's gonna go this way. You keep going. If Micah goes with you, he's gonna run it. If he doesn't, be ready for it. Okay?
Coach, can I run a fly? Can I run a fly on this side?
Yeah.
Coach,
Yeah.
can I run a fly on this side?
Bubble. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Tutty! Oh wait, no, not a tutty. Oh yeah, Mason! Oh yeah!
I got held.
Oh yeah, Mason! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
I mean raped.
Thank you, finally. Took you like 10 years to give me a high five. It's not that hard.
Let's do the rich play.
The ridge play?
1 second. We're pretty close here. So I want my three guys over here.
I got inside.
Antonio, Ryder, Mason.
I got inside.
Run like hell this way.
Then
And
we're
Mason, as soon as she hits hike, just start yelling ball, ball, ball. He's gonna look at me. This is your play. You're gonna stop, wait, and then go.
Where am I?
Mason, start yelling for ball. Nico, over.
Guys, let's all yell for ball. Cut it! Oh yeah!
Jack, you can't leave. You gotta,
You're gonna get offensive rookie of the year.
your job is to come over there.
Ronnie, no less.
What do you mean wrong, Evo? You started hitting the gritty.
You got time. Come back. Guys, come
Hey, the
back.
play practice, play over practice.
Okay.
Ready?
Alright, you know what we're doing? Play over
So
practice.
Mason,
I'll
Mason,
take inside.
I know what to do.
you know what to do?
Just like that.
Nico, you know what to do? Look, hey guys.
Don't you dare
come here,
bomb
real
it
quick.
at me.
Real quick.
If you like throw it as hard as you can at me,
Hey.
I'm not gonna catch it.
Get him tight. Not shoulders touching, but tight, and a little bit off the line. Okay?
Don't go out. Wait, yo, I want.
No, you're over there. You're over there. Over here, right here. Scoot in.
Marley!
Oh yeah! Coach.
Go do your thing.
Hey, that play worked so well.
First extra point of the season.
Is that actually our first extra point?
Might be.
That's close to it.
It's like our third, that's like our second or third. Line up!